Did you ever hear someone say God provides and He knows what you need? I heard that sentence, so I've heard that sentence so many times in my life as a Christian. But quite honestly, when you're at this point where you don't have anything, like you barely make the ends meet, and we're struggling to get what you need every month, like you're struggling to find enough money to pay your rent, all the bills that you have, you're like doubting a little bit. But I just wanted to share with you all something that God has been reminding me and my husband lately. So for almost a year, we've lived in a very tiny room. When I'm saying tiny, it's really tiny. Like you can barely move. And our room only had like literally one single bed. And you can imagine, like when it's summertime, you're sweating. We don't have AC. We did not have AC. So I was literally like had to put my face in front of the AC to get the fresh air, sort of. But it was still so hot, so I was sweating, and my sweat was really dripping all over my body. But then God, in the midst of all these things, has truly been in action in our lives. We just didn't necessarily see it during the moment, but He was in action, and He always is in our lives, and He does provide. One thing that really struck me, that really surprised me, is that by the end of the month, we always make it. Before the end of the month, we're like, oh my gosh, are we gonna make it? We are not gonna have enough for this, for groceries, for XYZ. And always, like, a ton of bills always come up, a ton of unexpected bills always come up, like for health reasons and just unexpected stuff. And we're just like, my husband and I, we were wondering, is this even going to be enough? But it always is. And that reminded me that, even the beautiful birds up in the sky and the lilies, the beautiful flowers that we see around us, they're fed and clothed by our God creator. And we are the ones who He created in His image. How can He forget about us? He does not forget about us, and He does provide. Proof is that no matter how tight our budget was during the past month, during a few months ahead of not ahead of us, but behind us, we could always make it. And we were so surprised and impressed at how God actually made it happen for us. So He was truly working in the backstage for us. And that's the reminder that I wanted to share with you all today. Whatever it is, whatever your situation might look like right now, if you're like us, like you're doubting to make ends meet, you get like a paycheck, you live paycheck, like you're just like struggling financially or whatever, know that God provides for you, and He knows exactly what you need. All you have to do is to trust Him fully, completely, and you'll see what He's gonna do. He's gonna blow your mind, as He did to the two of us. We're not exceptions. We are all His children, and He loves us all. He loves us all so much. So that's the message that I have for us today, and I hope that the short message could bless at least one of you guys. Bye. Have a great weekend. So it's really cold where I am right now, so I'm having this wrapped up all over my body. Bye, guys. Bye.